Welcome you all to my channel Triple Encyclopedia. In this video we are going to see about why do battery maximum life is reduced over time. That is, if you are going to buy a new mobile phone, at the time the charge in that battery will be stable for 2 days or 3 days, but as the day goes on, the charge in the battery may be stable up to 1 day only, right? That is very oftenly we are going to charge the battery again and again. So this is why it is mainly due to the reduction of capacity of the battery of the mobile. So here there are two reasons that reduces the maximum capacity of the battery. The first one is the formation of SEA layer. So what is SEA means? It is the solid electrolyte interface layer formed in the electrolyte. So let us see in detail. So consider this is the battery. So here consider this is the battery, and here this is the cathode. It is made up of lithium cobalt oxide, and this is the anode. It is made up of graphite with lithium. So in the last video I have explained about the working of phone battery. I have given a link for that video in the description also. And now let us see. So at that if you are buying the new battery, at the first time we are going to charge the battery at that time, and this SEA layer will be formed. That is, at the first time you are charging the battery, what will happen? The Li plus and E electrons in that cathode starts moving from cathode to anode through this electrolyte. This electrolyte will allow only the Li plus ions flowing through it. It restricts the flow of electrons. That's why the electrons are flowing through this path. And during this movement of Li plus ion through the electrolyte, this Li plus ion combined with the solvent in the electrolyte. That is, normally the electrolyte is the salt of lithium. So the Li plus ion combined with the solvent molecule in the electrolyte and also graphite in the anode, and finally it will create one layer around the Li plus ion. Right, that is Li plus ion, solvent and graphite are reacted and create one layer around the Li plus ion. So this reaction will create one layer nearby to the electrolyte. This red color line is the SEA layer formed by the solvent Li plus ion and the graphite. So this formation of SEA layer consumes 5% of lithium. So only 95% of the lithium is utilized for battery working purpose. So this is the first reason how the maximum capacity of the battery is reduced. So now let us see in detail. So when the battery is first time charged, the Li plus ions move through the electrolyte, and during this journey what will happen? The solvent molecule in that electrolyte covers the Li plus ions. That is, solvent plus Li plus ion plus graphite will create the SEA layer. So at that time the lithium, 5% of lithium is consumed by this SEA layer. So only 95% of the lithium is utilized for working of the battery. So this is the first reason how the capacity of the battery is reduced. And the second reason is the we are using the battery up to 0% charge. That is, the normally we are using the battery up to 0% charge. After that only we are going to charge the battery, right? So if you are using the battery up to 0% charge, what will happen? So already I have explained in the last video, during the charging period the Li plus ions are moving from cathode to anode, but during the discharging period the ions are moving from anode to cathode, this direction. So during the discharging period, if you are using the battery up to 0% charge, the cobalt in that cathode consumes more amount of lithium. Due to that, the lithium oxide and the cobalt 2 oxide molecules are created in the nearer to this cathode. So these are all irreversible generation of molecules. So these are all stationary in position, so that it will consume some amount of lithium. Due to that, the battery capacity will be reduced. So here see, so during, if you are using the battery up to 0%, what will happen? The cobalt consumes too much amount of Li plus ion, so that large amount of LiO2 and the cobalt 2 oxide will be created, and finally these are all stuck in its state. Due to that, the lithium capacity is reduced. So this is the second So the lithium capacity is reduced because of stationary position of these two molecules reduces the capacity of the lithium. So how to these are the two reasons why the battery maximum capacity is reduced. So how to improve the battery capacity means, that is, don't run your battery till empty and recharge it at 30% or 40% of charge. So these are all the two steps used to improve the capacity of the battery. So these are all the information about how the battery capacity is reduced day by day, and how to improve the battery capacity by following these two steps. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe my channel Triple E Encyclopedia. Thank you.